Hey everyone, and welcome back to Diamond's Hustle. Now, if you've been searching for real work from home jobs in 2025 that come with stability, pay, and benefits, then you are in for a treat today. I've lined up 5 hot opportunities from some serious big names, like Instacart is going to be one of them, but I'll leave the other ones as a surprise. Of course, you know about the Southwest one as well. Now, these jobs range from customer service roles that are beginner friendly all the way up to senior level positions that pay 6 figures. Now, we'll go through each one step by step, and I'll show you the job descriptions right on the screen, highlight the most important details, and really explain the pay, benefits, and what it's really like to work there. So all you need to do is go ahead and grab either your coffee, your favorite drink, settle in, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss my latest remote job finds. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into number 1 together. All right, guys. So look, first up is going to be Instacart, the grocery delivery giant that basically became a lifeline for families during the pandemic and hasn't slowed down since. Now, a little bit about the company, as some of you guys might know about it. Instacart's whole mission is about giving people more time to enjoy their lives by simplifying grocery shopping. And they're all about flexibility. They call themselves a flex first team, meaning you can choose to work from home, in office, or even your favorite coffee shop. Now, let's go ahead and dive into more about the role itself. Now, they're hiring for a customer experience specialist on their retail support team. And what does that really mean? Well, you'll be the main connection point between Instacart and their retail partners, like the grocery chains and stores that use their platforms. Now, some of the duties that you'll be doing in this opportunity are going to be handling inquiries from retailers through email, phone, and chat, providing solutions with empathy and professionalism, not just solving the issue, but leaving the retailer with a positive impression. You're going to be escalating bigger problems to teams like product or engineering when needed, documenting everything in their CRM system, spotting patterns in complaints or issues, and recommending improvements, all while building relationships with retailer leaderships to really help strengthen the partnership. Now, as far as about you, some of the qualifications they're looking for is someone who has that high school diploma, at least 1 year customer support experience, comfort using CRM tools, and a strong communication and critical thinking skills. And they do say bonus points if you've ever worked in the e-commerce or retail before. Now, as far as the pay, again, well, majority of you are here. It says $38K at the low end, up to $48K in states like California and New York. The benefits are going to be for full-time employees as well. And they're looking at health, dental, vision, PTO, and retirement options. Now, this is going to be that solid entry-level career builder for you. So Instacart has a reputation for moving people up the ladder internally. And you're also getting exposure to both retail and tech. So if you want a long-term career in customer experience, this is a strong place to start. With that being said, if it's not for you, let's go ahead and dive right on into job number 2. Next up, let's go ahead and talk about Arrive. Now, this is a super cool fintech startup that's reinventing how mortgages work. Now, Arrive has built the first wholesale origination marketplace that really connects brokers, lenders, borrowers, and all of the service providers involved in a mortgage transaction. So basically, they're simplifying one of the most confusing industries out there. Now, about the role itself, they are hiring for that customer service representative focused on phone support. So you'll be the first line of contact when users call in with questions about the platform. Your responsibilities are going to look a little bit like this. You're going to be answering inbound calls and guiding users through basic issues, knowing enough about the system to really answer questions directly or routine calls to the right department. You will also be staying up to date on new system features, events, and marketing materials so you sound confident on calls, reviewing voicemails, and really ensuring follow-ups happen quickly. You're going to be keeping track of call volume trends so the company can improve their service. Now, as far as some of the things that they're looking for from you, it's going to be that individual with 2+ years of phone support or customer service preferred. Mortgage or fintech experience is a huge bonus. ability to stay calm under pressure and communicate clearly, someone who's going to be that self-starter who thrives in a startup environment. Now, as far as the pay, as you guys can see, they're looking to pay between $40K to $50K depending on experience. They're going to have full insurance packages, 401K with match, PTO, and growth opportunities you would expect from a startup. Now, this is going to be your chance to get into fintech without needing a deep technical background. If you want to grow in a fast-paced industry and you're comfortable on the phone, then this actually could set you up for bigger roles in the future. Now, with that being said, if you guys are interested, I suggest you go ahead and check it out. But if not, let's go ahead and dive right on into job number 3. Third up on the list is going to be with Cigna, one of the largest healthcare and industry companies in the world. Now, this one is all about handling escalation issues. So you'll be the person that really advocates and leaders turn to when frontline customer service agents get stuck. Now, your responsibilities in this opportunity is going to be pretty much giving real-time support to agents by answering their urgent questions, handling escalated calls, and making sure customers get fast resolution, researching, complex issues that might involve multiple departments or third parties, documenting solutions and turning them into knowledge articles so others can really learn from them. You'll also be spotting some of the trends as well in errors or problems and flagging them for management as well. Now, as far as the qualifications, you need that high school diploma. That's going to be required, but they do say a bachelor's is preferred in this opportunity. At least 3 years in the customer service industry, ideally in healthcare or insurance, ability to stay calm and professional under pressure, and strong communication, negotiation, and problem-solving skills as well. Now, you might be wondering, what's the pay, right? So 21 to 32 per hour, depending on experience, plus eligibility for annual bonuses. Now, they do have those benefits, which are going to be that health, dental, vision, 401k with match, tuition reimbursement, PTO, wellness programs starting on day 1. Now, this is going to be a step up from the standard call center job. You're not just answering basic calls, you're coaching others, resolving complex issues, and being the go-to person for tough situations. It's a great role if you're ready to advance in customer service or healthcare operations. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out job number 4 before we dive into that main opportunity with none other than Southwest. But let's go ahead and check out what I have in store for you for job number 4. So fourth on the list is going to be with CVS Health. And this one is for folks who are ready to step into a leadership role. Now, CVS is looking to hire a remote Medicaid call center supervisor. So you'll lead a team of customer service reps who handle Medicaid calls. Now, as far as the position, right? Coaching and motivating your staff every day, monitoring stats, scheduling, and performance goals, recognizing and rewarding your team's success as well, analyzing call data to spot trends and fix workflow issues, acting as the bridge between your team and higher leadership, and really making sure compliance and HR policies are followed. Now, as far as the qualifications, as you can see here, 2+ years of leadership experience required. And call center background, ideally in Medicaid or healthcare, strong coaching and communication skills as well. Now, this is going to be that 40-hour work week, and they're looking to pay between $43K and $93K, depending on location and experience. Again, they do have a slew of benefits, which is going to be CVS has one of the strongest packages out there. Health, dental, 401k, stock purchase plan, PTO, family leave, all that good stuff, right? Tuition reimbursement. Now, if you've worked in a call center and you're ready to move into leadership, this role gives you stability, benefits, and really the chance to build a team culture you will actually be proud of. Now, if CVS is something that you're interested in, then you should go ahead and apply for this opportunity before it closes on September 19th, 2025. So you do have a few days to actually apply for this role, but don't sleep on this opportunity. If you are interested, go ahead and get the application in as soon as possible. With that being said, let's go ahead and jam right on into job number 5, which is going to be with none other than Southwest Airlines, and see if it's that job that hopefully you've been searching for. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, and here we are. And last but definitely not least, Southwest Airlines. Now, they're hiring for a senior data engineer to work on their AI data delivery team. Now, this role is technical. You'll be designing data pipelines and working with AWS, SQL, and Java as well. Now, as far as the job description, your responsibilities, you're going to be doing a few things. Now, building data pipelines for real-time and analytical use, transforming complex data sets for decision-making, leading cross-functional initiatives and improving systems, providing insights that really help Southwest operate smarter and more efficiently. Now, as far as the qualifications, a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or IT, it says, or equivalent advanced level experience. So you really don't have to have that bachelor's degree if you have that equivalent advanced level experience. But a high school diploma is going to be required for this opportunity. Advanced experience with cloud infrastructure as well. Strong analytical and project management skills are needed for this opportunity. Now, 141K to 157K per year plus bonus is not bad at all, especially without having a degree. Now, the fun part here is you get to fly for free on Southwest for you and your eligible dependents. You get to add to that 401k contributions up to 9.3. You heard me right. 9.3% profit sharing, health coverage, and day one insurance. Now, this is a dream for anyone who is into data and loves travel. High salary, world-class benefits, and travel perks. It's a win all around. With that being said, that's your 5 jobs for today. Now, whether you're just starting out in customer service or ready to jump into a 6-figure engineering role, there is something literally here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which job you go for. With that being said, I do want to let you guys know as well. So a quick disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with these companies and I don't guarantee hiring. All info comes directly from the company's job posting, directly from the job posting. Okay. I ain't making this up. I'm sharing the job posting with you guys from the company's website. So please, please, please make sure to double check their career sites for the most up-to-date details before applying. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video. All right. Bye.